Okay, hey you guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you um, how to install an SSL certificate on the Vesta Control Panel itself, right? Okay. In my other videos, I showed you how to create an SSL certificate for the domains. But this will show you how to put it on the control panel itself, okay? And there's a special script we're going to use to do that, all right? Okay, well, I just decided let's start from the start, okay? Because we want to have everything, all of our configurations totally correct, totally in place, okay? So I'm going to actually totally install the control panel, the Vesta Control Panel, from the beginning. Okay. Now you can use it on 16.04, but I'm going to use it on 16.04, but I'm going to use 14.04. Okay. And 64-bit. I'm going to use this one. So I recommend you guys do this exactly the way I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, you don't need to choose that data center. You can choose any data center. All right, now, the domain I'm going to use is the University of JavaScript. So, okay, I'm going to choose that as my host name. All right. And I'm going to be able to you will see there's a way that we're going to be able to access it. Well, just bear with me or stay with me. You'll see. Okay, that's installing right now. Now we need to go over here. Okay, now also you guys, I'm also going to show you that after you do this process, after you use this script, you can also you can still use your graphical user interface. The GUI, the GUI, right? To set up an SSL certificate on other domains, and also you want to be able to access it by www.university of JavaScript. But here's the thing. You will see there is a separate process. When you put an SSL certificate on the control panel, there's a special thing you must do. And we'll see that in just a second. So I'm waiting for my email there. Okay. Now, you guys, on these two domains I'm going to use in this video, I already have my name server set. Okay, GoDaddy, I've already got all my name servers pointing to DigitalOcean. Okay. Okay, here's my new University of JavaScript droplet. Okay, so now we need to install the control panel. Okay. Okay. So I guys think you know that you first paste in your password, and then we will need to, all right, it says current Unix password. We just paste it in again. So I'm going to hit, on my Mac, I'm going to hit Command V to paste it. So we're actually going to paste it twice. Now we enter our new password. Can you see that? Yeah, okay, good. All right. So now let's get over here and quickly we're going to install it. We're going to quickly install the Vesta Control Panel. We might need to force this here. Yeah. All right. Okay, let's put in your fully qualified host name. Okay, so I'm copying it exactly, University of JavaScript.com. All right, now, okay, now let's set up a domain here. Okay, now we'll create a Cname, www. Whoops. So, right? They might go to they might go to that, right? Now, you know, I'm actually I'm going to show you guys that well, I'm going to make another domain name, and the reason is because I want to show you that you need a special script for adding an SSL certificate to the control panel, but you still can use the graphical user interface for adding SSL certificates, which is great. But you will need to, there's something you're going to need to see here in just a sec. Yep. Come on. What? Just a moment. Well, we're going to do this. Something went wrong there. I'm going to delete it. All right, okay, that's basically ready, but since I'm over here, I'm going to finish that part. Okay. There we go. am I doing here? I'm getting mixed up. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm gonna do this. Just a sec. All right, here we go. There it is. All right, so yeah, let's do this. So here's my control panel. Now this might take a minute. Oh no, whoops, I messed up. Sorry guys, sorry about that. We need to now here comes the fun part. All right, you might want to save this somewhere. Okay, you're gonna want to save this somewhere. Here comes the fun part. All right, now here's the script we need to use. We need to use this script to encrypt our control panel. Okay. Now this script, I'm going to put in the description a link to the Vesta, to the place where I found this. And this guy is very reliable. The Vesta Control Panel, it's basically open source, and the creators know him, and he posted it in the forums. So really, it is not a danger. Okay, it is not a danger. You can go look at the script first if you want to. You can go look at the script first if you want to. All right. So I'll give that modifications. I'll also put a link in the description to it just in case. The forum, there may be more posts and maybe it will change. But at any rate, all right. So now we have this new script here, right? And what we're going to do is we have admin, okay, and our domain. And later we will configure the www part, okay? This is just for the control panel, right? And this will take a minute here. And I can show you guys, actually I can show you guys where I got this script. You can see this is an old one. This is dead. Okay, this is actually wrong. I did it before I made this video. This will be fucked up, so you won't be able to see this now. That's wrong. I mean, it's dead. You see, it's dead. I'm reinstalling all this stuff. All right, so where are we here? Where is this guy? Here it is. So here, right here, I'm going to put this link in the description. Now, this guy, he's a collaborator. You can trust this script. Look at all these posts. And here there's 4 pages over the course of about 6 months. And everybody knows him. Everybody knows that he is trustworthy, and it's a great script. So all the credit goes to him. Okay, this guy, Dpeca or Dpeca, whatever. It's right here. So you just substitute your domain name for this. Now you're going to say, hey, well, what about www? Now there's a little trick there, and I'm gonna, you say I want to encrypt connections that come across at www, my server, right? Okay, no problem. I'm going to show you. We're going to do that too. Now, here you could do this for other users and for some site, right? Any site, any website, some other user, some other. But you don't need to do that. If you don't want to, you can still use the control panel to encrypt other domains, and that's why I just set up 2 domains, right? That's why I set up 2. My main one, University of JavaScript, but I want other web files on there, right? But then this other one, Chinese Frequency Dictionary. So I want to show you guys both of it. Oh, shit, sorry. All right, my email address. I agree. Okay. I already gave them my email address, so I don't need to continually give it to them over and over. So here's the thing. This script, right? This script is going to encrypt when you go over port 8083, right? But if you only use this script and you don't do anything more, you will not be able to access it over www.myserver.com or mydomain.com. You won't be able to do that. You still need to use the graphical user interface for that. Okay? And so let's see here. All right, so now let's try it. University of JavaScript. Okay, so here we are. Now it might take a minute. It might take a minute, right? So this video, that's okay. And actually, you know, by the way, I'm on a VPN, so sometimes, you know, I'm in China. I have to go over the firewall. So we just need to be patient here. And you think, oh no, it's not working, it's not working. Yes, it is. It need to wait a minute. Now another thing we can see, you can see this. So it'll take 5 minutes at least, right? Okay, it'll take it. Sometimes it's quicker. All right, it goes quicker, but now it might take a minute, just because. Let's see here. Yeah. Oh, does it? Okay. What's that one? Oh, yeah, okay. Now, don't worry about this, because, okay. Just a sec. Look at one thing here. Last time it took a little while, okay, for this particular domain. Nah, but don't worry. You think, oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Yeah, it will work. Just give me a minute here. You think you just have to wait a sec. So the video's not done. We still have to get into the control panel. I'm going to show you guys how to how to do that. Well, what will happen? So, just a sec. Now you'll see this one will not work. Okay, you see that will not work. Now, do this one. Oh, the connection reviews. I know it says network change, but watch this. Watch this, just a sec. No, that's not good. Haha. I told you, for some reason, that it did this last time. It took a little bit of time, but hey, bam, there we are. We're at our control panel. But now, remember, just a moment ago, I typed in www and it didn't give it to us, right? It didn't give it to us, but that's okay. We're going to take care of that. Now also, all right, so now, so here's our domain, right? And it says, oh, there's no SSL support. Ah, but there is for the control panel, and the control panel as defined just, well, so now let's do this, okay? Let's go in here, okay? We're gonna go in here and we're gonna say, all right, we're still gonna do it, all right? We're still gonna go for that one. And so do you guys remember I hit edit, okay? I hit edit. When I went to this domain here, I hit edit, and now I come over here. We're gonna do this. Now there could give me, okay. Now let's wait a few minutes. Let's wait a few minutes. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create another domain name. Okay. Here, Chinese Frequency Dictionary. Okay, we're going to create another domain name. Okay. Add a web domain. Okay. Now again, we're going to have to wait a few minutes here. Automatically issued in 5 minutes. Usually it's a little faster than that, but it doesn't happen automatically. And sometimes you need to do it twice. Okay? Yeah, so you may think, oh, it's strange, but sometimes you actually need to do it twice. I have found that that happens sometimes. And now, one thing I want to note, you guys, here it says, hey, no SSL support. Well, not yet. It will. Just wait. Be patient. Be patient on this. Now, technically, it says that we have it. Okay, you see how this changed? Technically, it says we have it. But we may need to wait on that also. www. Okay, bam. There we are. So now we could have all our web files up here, but still get to our control panel if we want to. We can still make it look like a normal domain. All right. Now let's see if this one has got it yet. It might not. We might have to do that again. Sometimes That might not be, nope, see, we need to wait just a little bit here. Or what happens sometimes is you just need to do it again. Well, let's see and let's wait and see. Sometimes I have found that you just need to do it now. See it, yeah. We've made, like I said, we've made just Chinese fingers. We may need to do it again. Okay, we may need to do it again. I have seen. Now notice that we're doing this in a different way. Okay, we're doing this in a different way. Well, let's just do that one again. Sometimes it happens. So if it happens to you guys, don't be too surprised. And there's also a bit of waiting. Maybe I didn't wait long enough. Okay, I probably didn't. Okay, I probably didn't. I get a little impatient here, but we may need to wait 4 minutes. Okay, all right, now technically it says okay. All right, now if we edit this, we go into edit. Okay, well there, it should be there now. All right. Yes, there we go. All right, now, let's see. Okay, and we've got the www. Okay. Okay, you guys. Well, I think Vesta Control Panel is really great. It's really cool. And I will see you guys later. I'm really tired. If you can't say, I'm really tired. Last night I stayed in a cheap hotel room in Hong Kong, and people were screaming and yelling late at night. I kept getting woken up in the middle of the night. I didn't get any sleep. So right now I'm extremely tired. Sorry about that.